Here in New York, around 2.8 million people are expected to be traveling across the state for Memorial Day weekend, and people around the southern tier are gearing up for the travels as well.
Rotate the tires, maybe alignment, make sure it's gassed up, ready to go.
AAA predicts a just over 60% increase to traffic to Albany over the holiday weekend, with trips from the city to Albany looking to take just under 3 hours. From overheating car engines to dead car batteries, with an almost record-breaking amount of people set to hit the road this year, AAA expects to rescue over 460,000 stranded drivers just this weekend across the nation. We got a chance to catch up with Thomas Perry of J&T Auto Cafe about how drivers can prepare for the upcoming summer season.
Basically your fluids, make sure your oil's good, wash your fluid, killing bugs, don't want to be all blacked out when you're driving down the road, and tire pressures, basic stuff.
How drivers can protect their car from overheating?
It goes back to washing and waxing, putting vinyl protectant, leather protectant on your car.
As well as some of the biggest problem he sees bringing people to the shop.
Impact injuries on cars, which is suspension and what have you. Of course, AC is priority, air conditioning.
With the weekend kicking off the unofficial start to summer, drivers are expected to see record numbers on the road. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.